we are going to talk about air conditioners. Yes, I know, this is not exactly the peak season for ACs. So today, I have brought for you the top 3 best performing air conditioners available in the market right now. Make sure you watch the full review. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let us start the video without any delay. First, let's talk about the LG 1.5 ton 5-star dual inverter AC. I've already reviewed this product earlier as well. It is an excellent AC and has been a trusted choice in the Indian market for a long time. Its dual inverter compressor delivers fast cooling while keeping electricity consumption under control. LG's AI convertible 6-in-1 mode is a very useful feature that allows you to adjust the cooling capacity based on room occupancy and weather conditions. One standout feature is the Virat mode, which provides extra fast cooling during peak summers. Even when the temperature reaches around 45 degrees or more, this AC continues to deliver powerful cooling. It also comes with 4-way swing, ensuring even airflow to every corner of the room. Along with that, you get an HD filter with antivirus protection that filters dust, bacteria, and harmful particles, making it a great option for kids and elderly people. The build quality is solid with a 100% copper condenser, and it is available in multiple capacities and color variants. Overall, if you want reliability, long life, and balanced performance, this LG AC is a safe and premium choice. Next, let's talk about the Hitachi Expandable Plus Inverter AC, which is widely known for its cooling performance. The Expandable Plus technology maintains effective cooling even during heavy summer loads. Hitachi's compressor is especially designed for high ambient temperatures, making it perfect for Indian climate conditions. It comes with a 100% copper condenser, which improves durability and heat transfer. The 4-way swing cools the room evenly, and the smart display shows real-time temperature and power usage information. One very interesting feature is Ice Clean technology, which automatically cleans the indoor coil, resulting in lower maintenance and higher cooling efficiency. This AC also includes a dust filter that provides basic air purification. So if your priority is a strong cooling performance, low maintenance, and trust in Hitachi's engineering, this AC is a strong contender. Now, let's move on to the Carrier Wi-Fi Smart FlexiCool Inverter AC, which feels quite modern in terms of features. Its 6-in-1 FlexiCool mode allows you to choose different cooling levels, helping save power when full cooling is not required. You also get Wi-Fi connectivity, which lets you control the AC using a mobile app. You can turn it on or off and adjust temperature modes remotely. Carrier has provided a smart energy display that helps track electricity consumption. Along with this, you get an HD Filter Plus PM 2.5 filter, which is very useful for polluted cities. The Ester Edge FXI inverter compressor ensures stable performance and energy efficiency. The build quality is solid and it comes with a copper condenser. If you want smart features, app control, and a modern user experience, this Carrier AC is definitely worth considering. So basically, for overall reliability, smart AI features, and fast cooling, LG is an excellent choice. For strong cooling performance and low maintenance, Hitachi stands out. And for smart Wi-Fi features and energy tracking, Carrier is the best option. All product links are available in the description box and pinned comment. Check them out to see the latest prices and offers. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews. See you in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.